So today, we are going to be doing a little fall cleaning, and specifically, fall cleaning my closet. Yes, I know that fall cleaning isn't really a thing, and I just spring cleaned my closet literally like 3 months ago. But if there's anything that I've learned in my 20 years of existence so far, it's that you should never underestimate my ability to turn my life into a complete fucking mess at truly mind-boggling speeds. So today, we're going to be cleaning up my closet again. So I haven't really showed you guys my closet yet, mostly because, how would you put this lightly? It's fucking ugly. Here we go. So this is what it looks like right now, which granted, you know, it could be worse. There's no, like, rat infestations that I know of, so I'm always looking on the bright side. But to be honest, this is the most disorganized closet I've had in a very long time. I have like 3 different types of hangers, and my dresses and jackets and tops are all jumbled together. So I got some baskets from Target to organize all of my various piles of clothing into slightly more organized piles of clothing. I have a lot of basket options. I spent like $70 on them, and now I feel like a crazy basket lady. So my current baskets, and yes, we're still talking about baskets because this is the fucking content that you guys subscribed for. Best basket, basket dressed is what they call me on the streets. So my current baskets are also from Target, and they're like sturdy and they do the job, but they're originally made for a pantry, which now I understand after using them for like a year, because things just like fall out of them, which is not that bad with my belts, but becomes more problematic with my underwear when they are like always on the floor. So I'm gonna transfer my accessories and my underwear and my socks, and maybe I'll try to fit in some of the clothes on the floor into these other baskets. Just take a shot every time I say basket, and by the end of this, you'll have severe alcohol poisoning and will end up in the hospital. Not speaking for personal experience. Everyone knows the key to organizing is some good organizing tunes. So I think my goal is going to just be bras and underwear in one basket, socks in another. Hopefully no creepy guys get off on this segment, but like, honestly, my underwear isn't even sexy. It's just like this shit from 7th grade, so have fun masturbating to that, my friend. You know how there are some people who are so organized that they like fold their underwear into little shapes? Like it's a little packet of underwear? Yeah, I don't have fucking time for that, so they're just going in the bin. Why is there a t-shirt in here? I've been looking for this one. You never know what you're gonna find when you dig through your weird pile of clothing. Oh, now it's been like covered in underwear for a month, so. It's fine. Okay, now we're getting into some actually sexy shit. I might cut that part out. Oh yeah, I have this workout bra that I literally never work out in, but sometimes I put on just so I can feel more productive. I never know what to do with these convertible bra straps that, like, where do you guys store them when you're not using them? Because they will get lost. They're like the hair ties of bra straps. They just disappear. Something in the universe just like absorbs these into a giant black hole and never gives them back. All right, looking good. Now for some just random assorted clothing. We are gonna find out, why do I have pants in here? So right now, things are at peak mess. I've just started in on this like pile of random clothing on the floor, and I've separated everything loosely into several piles. So I have a pile for skirts, one for t-shirts, something that I would call a pile, but it's kind of just a jumble of clothes of stuff that I actually wear regularly and want to hang up, and then one of stuff that I want to sell. So I bought these hangers, also from the good old Target, as the French would say. In case you wanted just way too many details about my hanger choice, you're gonna get them. So these are wooden ones with a—
The hanger, Hanger 2, and Hanger 2S revolutionized the closet experience. Today, we're extending that vision with the all-new Hanger 3, our biggest leap forward in hanger technology yet. Designed with an all-natural finish and 9mm girthier than our previous models, Hanger 3 gives your clothing the closet real estate it deserves. Improving upon Hanger 2's lightweight aluminium core, Hanger 3 rotates a mind-blowing 360 degrees, offering a truly seamless user experience. Our utterly uncompromised vision for the future. Hanger 3.
So yeah, subscribe for more detailed analysis of random household objects that nobody else cares about. Right over there. Okay, let's move on with the video.
I don't have a friend. I have to tell everybody about myself.
In a little while, Dudley saw the girl next door.
I found the other bra strap. Okay, so I just finished organizing all of my hangers and it is looking quite bougie already, if I may say so myself. So basically what I did is this section is tops organized by color, and I tried to put the shortest sleeve length right in the front. And then over here we have some jackets also organized by color, and then back here I have my dresses, which aren't very well organized by color, to be honest, but I tried my best, and then I just put my special occasion dresses all the way in the back. So we are reaching the end. I folded and sorted everything that I want to sell. I got the giant hanger mess off of the floor, and now all we have left is to kind of perform a giant switcheroo of items. I'm gonna take some of the shoes that are randomly on this shelf and put them on the floor just because they're already dirty anyway, so that makes sense. Originally, I was gonna put all of my tank tops and t-shirts on this shelf that's back here, but I feel like it's really conducive to me just throwing shit in there because it's so hidden and in the corner and it's kind of dark and I can't really see what's going on, so I just kind of like chuck stuff in there because I don't want to deal with folding it. So I thought a better solution would be to take the t-shirts and tops that I actually like wearing and fold them up on the shelf over here so they're nice and on display. I do have a whole category of clothing called super old and crusty and weird looking t-shirts that I just like to wear when I'm editing or sleeping or like don't want to interact with people. So I think that pile of clothing is gonna go in this little abyss corner over here so I don't have to look at it all the time, but I know that it's there when I need it.
Darling, you send me. I know you.
Folding these jeans is seriously taking me back to my days in American Eagle. Because I did not like interacting with customers, I was like the jeans girl, and they just gave me a wall of jeans to fold and I'd spend like 4 hours folding it, and then one fucking customer would come along and like destroy the entire thing. So you know, that was my life for a couple of years. Granted, I'm not sure that this jeans section will look as good as my jean walls at American Eagle. I think I might have lost a little bit of that pure talent. Fun fact is that at American Eagle, they actually like make you fold the jeans in a certain way so it looks like they're thicker than they are. There's like an extra fold that you have to put in there. It's like you fold it twice, something like that. Guess American Eagle likes them thick.
Send me. I know
Okay,
you.
not as good as what I used to do at American Eagle, but she's still looking better than before. Okay, and I think that brings us to the end of this closet transformation. I'll put in some like official before and after shots here so you can see the difference. I feel like an ad for Weight Watchers or something. I am really excited to have a closet that's not just like a giant pile of crap behind a door and is actually kind of organized and kind of nice.
I've been counting the flies.
I think it'll make getting dressed in the morning and making videos for you guys so much easier because I have had several mornings where I know exactly the outfit that I want to put together, but I just could not find the pieces in my closet. So you know, good job Ashley in making one aspect of your life less of a hot mess. Next time, let's reorganize my fucking love life. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you had a good time hanging out with me, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!